Good morning, everybody. This is Ryland Textor with your morning livestock and grain comments. In the grains, we're going to start off a little bit higher this morning on some follow-through buyer interest and some technical support and gains in the crude oil market. Corn market right now, we finished a little bit better yesterday. Positive weekly export sales look to help garner some buyer interest here. In the soybean market, subsidies by the Indonesian government for biofuels is going to be helping in the soybean market and the soy oil markets, also supportive to the palm oil markets. Plus, a little disappointment in the weekly export sales in the beans, but at this point, we're definitely trading the more positive demand news that we're seeing right now, possibly out of Indonesia. In terms of the wheat, big gainer yesterday. We're seeing some follow through as well in the wheat markets. The Egyptian government is going to extend their line of credit, and that's definitely going to give demand boost in terms of exports going forward. So we're seeing follow through technical support and some short covering there as well. In terms of the livestock markets, pork market is still in a downtrend. Did make multi-year lows again yesterday, closed with triple-digit losses, and we do expect that trend to continue with lower pork overnight yesterday. We did see export sales ramp up a little bit to South Korea, which would possibly infer that these domestic prices that we're seeing are beginning to look appealing from outside forces despite the strength of the U.S. dollar. In terms of the cattle market, still kind of stuck in this sideways near-term pattern, although longer-term trends are bearish from a demand standpoint. Beef prices were lower yesterday. We could see prices move a little bit higher after bouncing off of our lows yesterday and closing near the high end of the session range. So we may see a little bit of follow-through support here in the live cattle market and in the feeders after catching a little bit of a bounce yesterday. So all in all, it looks for a little bit lower in the pork market, and could possibly see some short covering in the hogs. Cattle market should be a little bit higher to start here. And as always, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Have a prosperous day of trading and a great weekend, everybody.